Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a clean working copy of the recording so you never overwrite the original. Import the WAV or high bitrate MP3 into your audio editor and duplicate the track. This preserves reference audio. Once done, switch to spectral view to visualize voice harmonics and background noise. Make sure to set the session sample rate to match the file, typically 44. 1 kHz, so processing stays accurate. This setup speeds precise edits and prevents sample rate artifacts during removal operations. You now isolate voice components by combining spectral selection with targeted EQ. This isolates formant bands where human speech concentrates. Capture a 1-3-second noise profile from a silent section to feed noise reduction algorithms, because a good profile prevents musical artifacts. Next, apply adaptive notch filters or source separation tools to reduce voice energy while preserving other sounds. Make sure to use gradual reductions and monitor phase. Aggressive cuts create hollow or swirly artifacts, so adjust attack, release, and strength slowly. You finish by doing fine surgical work. Use spectral repair brushes to remove residual vocal traces and perform clip gain rides to smooth transitions. Once satisfied, run a conservative de-esser and gentle broadband limiter to stabilize levels. This preserves dynamics while preventing pump. Make sure to preview the result on headphones, laptop speakers, and a phone to confirm no odd resonances. If artifacts persist, back off processing strength or consider re-recording segments. Finally, render a lossless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.